Hello everybody, welcome to week 2. In this video I'm going to talk about your social studies assignments. I'm probably just going to go over Mondays and Tuesdays in this video, and then I'll do another video for the other 3 days. I've learned that the shorter the video, the quicker it uploads to YouTube. So make sure that you've got your 50 states and capitals study list handy, because this is what we're going to use to find our answers. All right, let me get set up here. Okay, I'm going to turn this light off so we don't have that glare. There we go. Okay, so we're getting our week 2 Monday paper ready. And number 1 says, what is the capital of Alabama? So I'm going to get out my little cheat sheet, and Alabama happens to be the first one, and Montgomery is our answer. So number 1 will be C. Number 2, Jefferson City is the capital of what? Well, some of you may be able to recognize the shape of this state. If you don't, what you're going to do is get out your list, and under the capital column, you're just going to run your finger down and try and find Jefferson City. Let me move this. Jefferson City, looking for a J. Oh, Jefferson City, right under Jackson. Okay, and the state is Missouri. So number 2 will be D. Number 3, Boise is the capital of Idaho, and we have to decide if that's true or false. So I'm going to go to my list, look in the eyes for Idaho. The capital is Boise, so my answer to number 3 will be true. Number 4, all states of the United States have a capital city. Well, I will tell you that our list has every single state on there, and every state has a capital. So the answer to number 4 is going to be true. Number 5, what's the capital of Alaska? All right, Alaska, right here on our list, it is number 2. That's easy to find. And this one, this kind of looks like a funny word, but it's pronounced Juneau. Juneau. So on our paper, number 5 is going to be A. Number 6, Sacramento is the capital of, I bet most of you can recognize this state shape. This is California. So I'm going to look on my cheat sheet or reference sheet for California and look and see Sacramento is the capital. We're just double checking our work. So number 6 is D. Okay, number 7, Tallahassee is the capital of Minnesota. True or false? So I'm going to look at my cheat sheet in the M's. I'm going to find Minnesota and go over. Tallahassee is not the capital. St. Paul is. So, number 7, that's wrong. It's false. Number 8, Indiana is the capital of Indianapolis. Let's see. Okay, looking in the eyes. First off, Indiana isn't a capital at all. It's the name of the state. And Indianapolis is the capital. So our paper is trying to trick us. It has it backwards. So it says Indiana is the capital of Indianapolis. That's wrong. It's the other way around. All right, number 9, what is the capital of Maine? Looking at our reference sheet in the M's for Maine, Augusta. Basically, it's the word August with an A at the end. Augusta. All right, number 10, Honolulu is the capital of a state that is in the eastern United States. All right, you might recognize this state. It's a chain of islands. If you don't, we're just going to look in our capital column for the word Honolulu. And if we find it, we can find our state. So working our way down. Here's an H, but that's Hartford. Working our way down. Oh, Honolulu. If we go across, Hawaii. Okay, but I'm just realizing we need to read the question really good. Honolulu is the capital of a state that is in the eastern United States. That's not true. Honolulu is the capital of Hawaii, and that's in the western United States. So we're going to say this is false. That just about tricked me there. All right, we're going to look at Tuesday's paper. It's very similar. Number 1, Dover is the capital of which state? So we're going to go to our capital list, look for Dover. There's Denver, very close. Dover, found it. Delaware, Dover, Delaware. That's easy to remember. So number 1 is C. Number 2, what is the capital of Kansas? All right, let's look in the K's. Kansas, go over. Topeka. It's a funny word. Topeka, Kansas. All right, number 3 says choose the correct pair. So we're going to have to go through and double check and make sure all of these are right. There's going to be only one that's right. 3 of them are wrong, okay? So Des Moines, Iowa. Let's see if that's right. So we're going to go to the I's. Iowa, Des Moines. Okay, that is correct. I'm going to put a little check mark right here. We're going to still check the other ones just to make sure. Okay, number B, Frankfort, Maryland. So we're going to go to Maryland, and our capital is Annapolis, so that's not right. Cross that out. Jackson, Georgia. That happens to be my dog's name. Georgia Jackson. Okay, so we're going to Georgia. Capital's Atlanta, so that's wrong. And then Trenton, Colorado. All right, Colorado. Nope, the capital is Denver, so we were right. Number 3 is A. All right, number 4, what's the capital of Michigan? All right, Michigan, right here. Lansing. Lansing, Michigan. Number 5, what's the capital of Massachusetts? Okay, Massachusetts, right here. Boston. D. Number 6, the capital of Maryland is Annapolis. True or false? So we're going to check. Maryland, Annapolis, we are good to go. That is true. Number 7, the capital of Louisiana is Frankfort. All right. Louisiana, capital is Baton Rouge. So this is not correct. Number 8, Jackson is the capital of which state? Okay, so we're going to go look in our capital column, and we're looking for Jackson. Jackson, Jackson, Jackson. Keep looking. Oh, there we go. Mississippi. All right, number 9. Topeka is the capital of, we just learned this one on number 2. It's Kansas. And last one, choose the incorrect pair. All right, so on this one, there will be 3 correct and 1 incorrect. So, letter A, Phoenix, Arizona. So let's check. Arizona, Phoenix. All right, that's correct. I'm going to put a little check mark. Next, Lansing, Minnesota. All right, we're going to go down here to Minnesota. St. Paul. is our capital, so I'm going to put an X, but I'm going to keep checking. Jefferson City, Missouri. Let's see, Missouri, Jefferson City. Okay, that one's right. And Boise, Idaho. Idaho, Boise, that is correct. All right, so number 10 is B.